Okay, hello students, this is Dr. Rossiter. I'm going to guide you through constructing a circumcenter from which you can circumscribe a triangle, meaning we're going to find the only point from which you could perfectly place a circle around a triangle touching all three vertices. Now if we're going to circumscribe a triangle, we got to start with a triangle. So click the tool that shows you segments and draw any old triangle you want. Doesn't make any difference where you make it, because any triangle can be circumscribed. Sometimes the point for a circumscription will be outside the triangle, sometimes it'll be in it, sometimes it'll be on it, depending on whether you have an obtuse angle in the triangle, a right angle, or if all the angles, like in this case, are acute. Once we've got that, we need to find perpendicular bisectors and look at their intersection point. So let's highlight one side and construct a midpoint, and highlight another side and construct a midpoint. Oh, only one thing can be highlighted at a time. There you go. Highlighted line, construct a midpoint. I'd highlighted both a point and the line. That won't work. Now, if you've got a line and a midpoint highlighted, you could ask it to construct a perpendicular line at that point, through that point. There you go. On this side, you highlight a line and you highlight the point, and if those are the only two things highlighted, you go to construct a perpendicular line. And you notice where those two lines meet. Let's make a point there. Go get your point tool. If it lights up both lines, that's the point right at the intersection. That is called the circumcenter. Well, let's find a circle tool, and from that point, draw a circle that goes up and touches any of the three vertices. See, my little red dot is going to that red dot, and it meets there. You'll notice that all three vertices have a line going through them. Now let's get rid of our perpendiculars because they're kind of unnecessary for our final picture of a circumscribed triangle, and say display hide. And let's hide this line too. I must not have clicked both of them at the same time. OK, display hide. And you have perfectly circumscribed a triangle. Hooray!